In this video, I will show you how to install Google Sheets on a Windows computer. First, it's important to know that Google Sheets is primarily a web-based application. This means you don't actually install it like traditional software. Instead, you access it through your web browser. To get started, open any browser on your Windows PC, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Go to Google Sheets. Now, if you want to make Google Sheets feel like an installed app on your Windows desktop, you can do that using Google Chrome. While on the Google Sheets page, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Cast, Save, and Share, and select Create Shortcut. Then click Create. This will add a desktop shortcut and open Google Sheets in its own window, just like a regular app. Now you can launch Google Sheets anytime with just one click, giving you an app-like experience on Windows. So that's how to install, or more accurately, set up Google Sheets on a Windows computer. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.